आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone. So the question is, consider the parabola whose focus is at point 0, 0 and tangent at vertex x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. Tangent drawn to the parabola at the extremities of the chord given by equation 3x plus 2y is equal to 0 intersect at what angle? So basically we have to find the angle theta. Now I'm drawing the diagram as per the information given. So this is the diagram for this particular question. Now we are given the focus at point 0, 0 and tangent at vertex is given by equation x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. So therefore we'll be finding the distance between focus and tangent at vertex. Tangent at vertex. So we can find that by using the distance formula. So this distance would be equal to mod of, we'll be substituting 0, 0 here. So that would be 0 minus 0 plus 1 upon under the root of 1 square plus 1 square. So it comes out to be the distance is 1 upon under the root of 2. Now I'm writing down that directrix is the line which is parallel to the tangent vertex, and at distance of 2 into this distance, that is 1 upon root 2 from locus or from focus. So proceeding forward, I am assuming that the equation of the directrix be, so let the equation of directrix, so we know, we have mentioned it here, that this is the line which is parallel to the tangent vertex. So the x and the y thing would be same, only there would be difference in the constant term. So what would be the equation of the directrix? We can assume it as x minus y, that would be same, plus lambda. The constant term will be changed, equal to 0. So this is the equation of the directrix. Therefore we can say that applying distance formula again here, that would be equal to lambda upon under the root of 1 square plus 1 square is equal to, we have mentioned that it is 2 upon root 2. So 2 upon root 2. Simplifying it further, we can say that lambda upon root 2 is equal to 2 upon root 2. This cancels with this and we are left with lambda is equal to 2. Now let us assume that in the diagram we can say that, let us assume that the point P having coordinates x, y be a moving point on the hyperbola. So this P is a moving point on the hyperbola. So we can say that OP is equal to PM. So I'm writing P is moving point on parabola which is having coordinates x, y. So therefore OP would be equal to OM, OP would be equal to PM. So OP is equal to PM as we discussed in the figure. So therefore we can say that x square minus y square would be x square plus y square. This would be equal to x minus y plus 2 upon under the root of 2. This is, let's understand this is how, because OP is basically the distance between origin and this x, y. So that would be x square plus y square, and this PM would be distance between this P point, that is x, y, and this line. So basically this is, we have written 2 because the lambda value of lambda is 2. So we have replaced lambda by plus 2. So this is the thing, it would be square of this. So solving it, we can write 2x square plus 2 y square is equal to x minus y plus 2 whole square. Now we can also simplify it further as x square plus y square plus 2xy minus 4x minus 4y minus 4 is equal to 0. We have simplified this thing also. We have applied this formula here, that is x square plus y square plus z square. So this would be cancelled out and we'll be left with only 1x. So I have reduced one step. Now proceeding further, what I'll be getting, we know that length of lattice rectum is equal to twice of distance of focus from directrix. So I'm writing down the length of lattice rectum, I'm writing it in short, is equal to twice into distance of focus from directrix. Correct? Now substituting the values. Okay, firstly let's find the length of the lattice rectum. So this would be equal to twice into what would be the distance of focus from the directrix, so that we can say the distance of focus from the directrix. So that would be equal to 0 plus 0 plus 0, it would be minus here. So it's 0 minus 0 plus 2 upon under the root of 1 square plus 1, that is 2. So that comes out to be 2 root 2. Basically it would have been 4 upon root 2, so it becomes 2 root 2. This is how, because we have substituted this 0 comma 0 with this line. So we have substituted this point on this line. Basically this is the distance, we applied the distance formula. So the length of the lattice rectum is 2 root 2. Now solving the parabola with the x-axis we get. So solving parabola with x-axis. So what I get x square minus 4x minus 4 is equal to 0. Using quadratic formula, I can write x is equal to 4 plus minus under root of 32 upon 2, which is ultimately equal to 2 plus minus 2 root 2. So this is the value of x what we have find out. Now we can see that therefore the length of the chord is, after finding the value of x, which is 2 plus minus 2 root 2. So this is the value of x, therefore we can say that length of chord on x-axis, it would be 4 root 2 units. So since the chord which is given in the question, that is 3x plus 2y is equal to 0, it passes through the focus, that is, it is mentioned in the question. So therefore is a focus chord. Focal chord, or we can say the focus chord. Therefore the tangents at the extremities of the chords are perpendicular. So therefore the tangents at extremities of chord are perpendicular. Therefore, what would be the angle? The angle would be equal to 90 degree, that is pi by 2. So I hope this is clear. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।